Hey, Zach here, and today I'm sharing my very best beginner kettlebell workout. This workout only requires a single kettlebell, trains the entire body, and can be done in 15 minutes. This kettlebell workout is perfect for a beginner to build core strength and get lots of practice with the basic movement patterns. We'll start with a 5-minute training block of deadlifts and planks. Perform 5 kettlebell deadlifts to start, pushing the hips back, keeping the spine neutral, and remaining flat with the feet. After the deadlifts, drop down into a plank for about 10 seconds. While you're in the plank, think about maximizing total body tension by squeezing the quads, glutes, and abs tight. This pairing will help ingrain proper core engagement in your hip hinge pattern. Repeat these 2 exercises in a superset fashion, resting as needed for the full 5 minutes. The next 5-minute block includes the Goblet Squat and some loaded carry variations. Perform 5 reps of the Goblet Squat, descending straight down until the elbows make contact with the inner thighs. Follow the squats with 10 paces of a goblet hold march. Keep the abs tight, resist the tendency to lean back, and keep your breathing nice and even. Go right back into 5 reps of the Goblet Squat, and then follow that up with 10 paces of a suitcase carry, holding the kettlebell in your left and right sides. Again, the loaded carries will help teach you how to stay tight and maintain posture through long periods of time under tension. Work through this superset, again resting as needed for the full 5-minute block. For the last 5 minutes, you'll do a push-pull superset of a 2-handed shoulder press and 1-arm row. This beginner-friendly press variation requires no special grip technique. Simply wrap the thumbs around the base of the horns, supporting the belly of the bell with the palms of the hands, and press straight overhead. Keep the legs and glutes tight and try not to lean back. We're pairing this up with the 1-arm kettlebell row. Get into a wide foot stance, squat forward, and rest your non-lifting arm on your same side thigh. Grip the handle so it points away from your body. Lift the bell, squeezing your shoulders together and keeping your lat tight. Think about pulling your thumb to your bottom rib. Lower the weight slowly and repeat for 5 reps per side. And there you have it, a 15-minute total body workout of beginner kettlebell exercises. Again, the theme here is practice and intention. Don't rush the reps or try to beat the clock. The goal is quality movement, which builds skill, which builds strength. And if you want to learn my step-by-step method, programming, and workouts for getting started with kettlebell training, be sure to check out my Kettlebell Foundations course linked in the description. Of course, wishing you all the best in your training, and we'll see you in the next video.